All right, guys. Well, I'm back out on my patio here with my Ninja wood fire grill, and guess what? I got the griddle plate. Look at that. Well, guess what? I'm going to try to cook an egg on this thing. Just want to see how good a nonstick it is. Another thing about the grill, it does clean up pretty well. There's a little vent in the back here, though. I suggest you try to wipe it off, pretty much every time you cook with it. It does have some smoky residual stuff that comes out of it. Anyway, let's go ahead and kick on the grill. All right, so the app is pretty slick because, it shows you what the preheating percentage is. So if you're in your house or doing something else, you don't have to worry about that. All right, I'm doing 2 eggs. I'm doing an egg, whole egg, and I'm doing a scrambled egg. I just want to see how the grill basically works. All right, at 62%. All right, we're at 75% now. And I highly recommend that you just go ahead and let it preheat. There is a skip preheat function on here, or button. I would not recommend doing that. Just let it reheat or preheat all the way up. I thought I'd try medium with the egg, because I don't know. I don't know how hot the grill actually gets. So we'll find out here. Okay, it says add food, so you can see right there. And go ahead and open her up. Whoa, smoky. Woohoo. Okay. Might cook pretty quick, guys. That's what I'm guessing. I might have to do the egg on low. Let's check it out, though. Nice. Nice, look at that. You can do like a Perkins-style omelet. Check that out. That's nice. All right, well, that works pretty good. Let's try a whole egg. Over this way. All right, the pan spray does work, but you need to apply it again before you cook the second egg, because this egg here did stick quite a bit. Just throw the cover down for a second. You can hear that fan ramping up. Nice. Flip that up all together. All right. Let's flip it over here. Nice. Definitely cooked a scrambled egg very fast. I mean, that's that. So that worked out really well. All right. It's over easy. It's sticking though. Sticking just a little bit. But there we go. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. And, all right. Well, the griddle cooks eggs. I love it. Again, that was on medium, and I think it performed pretty well. I'm just going to leave this open for a bit until the griddle cools a little bit, and then I'll bring it in and clean it. And one thing about nonsticks, it's really important to let the nonstick cool pretty much all the way down, so that it doesn't, you don't wreck the actual coating. It's just one of those things that I've learned over the years, is that let those nonsticks cool all the way down to room temperature before you wash them. And you should just be able to use mild soap, Dawn soap, whatever, clean it off quick, and you'd be back up and running. All right, back out here at my Ninja wood fire grill. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put it in the grill mode, but I'm going to put it all the way on low to start with this time. All right, the grill is almost preheated. Again, this is on low. I'm just going to do an air temperature or a surface temperature reading just to get an idea of what that griddle plate temperature is like. Okay, this is add food. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lift it up, take a temperature reading of the griddle. I know it just bounces around, but it's about 360 roughly. It's good there. I'll go ahead and get my eggs. Okay, so here's what we're doing now. Got a couple eggs scrambled. I got a towel. I got some olive oil in my bowl here. I'm gonna try this method. Let's rub that down nicely. Just want to see if this helps a lot with the eggs. The pan spray did work, but I think oil is a much better choice. I'll tell you one thing, olive oil smells good on the grill. All right, let's do the eggs. Now they roll to the drain pretty quick, so you got to be kind of quick about it. See that? There you go. Look at that, huh? That's the trick, my friends. So I would say that if you're cooking bacon or sausage and you had a little bit of that residual oil left, then your griddle would already have that oil on it. Looks like the olive oil is working great. It says flip. I don't think you need to worry about flipping. So there you go. Eggs are done. All right, well, we figured out a method that works. Again, I preheated this only on low this time. I didn't have it so hot. Look at the eggs. They're beautiful. So a little coating of oil worked great. And let's go ahead and shut that off. And we'll just let the griddle plate cool. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I got for you. Hopefully you liked the video. It's informative enough. I like the grill so far. Non-stick is not as non-stick, but it works with some oil. So there you go. Chef Leroy, and I'm out.